Well, Congress is preparing to pour more funding into a popular new program designed to help small businesses survive the crisis. CBS correspondent Natalie Brand is at the White House.
We have to thank the American people for continuing to follow our guidelines on slowing the spread.
Despite warning of a tough few days ahead, President Trump says he sees a glimmer of hope as the U.S. continues to grapple with the coronavirus pandemic.
We're looking to have far fewer deaths than originally thought, and I think we're heading in that direction, but it's too early to talk about it.
The Trump administration is also asking Congress for additional funding to shore up its paycheck protection program for small business loans before it runs out of money.
I'll be asking Congress to provide an additional $250 billion for the paycheck protection, which will help keep Americans employed to facilitate a quick and full recovery.
Senate Majority Leader Mitch McConnell has said he wants the Senate to approve the additional funds by Thursday. Members of Congress expect to discuss the coronavirus crisis and a possible Phase 4 stimulus bill in a series of conference calls with the Vice President this week.
It was clear, even as we passed the last bill, that it would not be enough.
According to reports, top White House trade advisor Peter Navarro circulated memos months ago warning the coronavirus pandemic could cost the U.S. economy trillions of dollars and kill hundreds of thousands of Americans.
He wrote a memo, and he was right, and I haven't seen the memo. I'll see it later on after this, but it didn't matter whether I saw it or not because I acted on my own. I guess I had the same instincts as Peter.
The president says there are more than 8,000 ventilators still available in the national stockpile, with thousands more on the way. He also says 10 drugs and 2 vaccines are in trials. And during tonight's briefing, President Trump and Dr. Fauci expressed concern and said the data shows that African Americans are disproportionately impacted by the coronavirus. Now, California's senators are among lawmakers who have written to the CDC asking for data to be broken down by sex, race, ethnicity, whether a patient is a health care provider, and other demographics data. They say it's important to document if particular groups in the United States are at greater risk for the virus and why. Alan?